everybody, I'm Loren Park. I am the garden manager at Our Daily Bread. We have some very exciting things happening at the community garden right now. We have some gorgeous strawberries that are actually done for the season because it got so hot. We have a beautiful grape trellis that you just walked through, and we have so many more things. Back here we have our tomatoes that are just doing absolutely amazing. We have a little bit of leaf curl from the fluctuation in temperature and water throughout the past few weeks or so. It got very hot and then pretty cool with a lot of moisture. So we're having some difficulties with that, but they're producing great nonetheless. In the very back of this garden, we have some Brussels sprouts that we are kind of experimenting with. This is our first time growing such a large crop of Brussels sprouts, so we are learning as we go. Most Brussels sprouts will be a lot bigger than this, but since we are organic, we cannot put as much fertilizer into it. They're not quite done yet, but we are so excited to see them. Another thing that we have going on at the garden is we have some new signage to help our guests know when to harvest the vegetables and when to not. The community does not know as much as we might know as normal gardeners. So whenever they come into the garden, they might see a head of broccoli that they get from the store, and they will harvest that whenever it's supposed to be 10 times the size of that and feed their whole family. So we have these new signs that say harvest away and not ready to harvest yet, and this helps the community indicate whether they can take that food home to their families or not. The community garden definitely is not big enough to feed everybody in Payne County. It acts as a classroom to bring the garden back to your homes. The Food and Resource Center on site is here to help people in Payne County that are food insecure. The community garden is a community garden. Anyone in Payne County can come out and harvest as much as you need from the garden. Every first and third Friday of the month, we have what is called Freebie Friday. If you have already came and gotten your produce for the month, you can come out and get more produce along with some plants if they are available. So come see us.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.